Okay, the problem with this LG washing machine is this valve right here. Because you can follow this line, this rubber line that goes here. Because what I have is a drip on the inside. So it's this one right here is not closing all the way. And in about a week, it'll leave about this much water inside, about an inch worth inside the washer. So this is my problem right here, because this is connected over here. So I don't know if I can just replace this piece or does the whole thing have to be replaced. Okay, when working on the washing machine, always unplug it. Unplug the washing machine. Safety first. You don't need to get electrocuted. And you probably need to shut the water off too. Better safe than sorry. So the water's off. We know what the problem is. It's this valve right here. I'm going to probably take it off, tinker with it a little bit. It should just be with those 6 Phillips screws. So the water's off, power's off. Taking this back piece off was a pain in the neck. It was just 2 screws, but it's these clips right here that get hung up and you sort of muscle them. But since you don't know, you don't want to break it. And I don't know what they clip on to. But okay, right here, I guess there's a little divot. There. There. And these little divots go inside it. I always take lots of pictures. Notice that little triangle? That's the top. It goes in there. So you know where everything goes. I'm hoping I can just replace this piece here. It'd be nice because this is the bad one right here. It probably doesn't fully close, so it drips inside in this back corner. The back corner, it drips. But take pictures, take your time, disconnect the power, shut the water off. Another helpful hint, so just see all this crud in here. Just get a little vacuum cleaner and suck it up. It has to be clean because everyone knows water and metal corrode. Just over time, keep everything neat and clean. Okay, I'm going to put this piece back on. See if you can get a good picture of the washing machine. I'll have to see if I have to order the parts. Let's see if you can see between the 2 lines. This will just snap in, and 2 screws here and here. So we just got to snap it in. There's like 3 snaps here. It can be a pain in the neck to get out. Just got to muscle it up. And this is the washing machine. It's an LG inverter direct drive HE True Balance. So my problem is right from here, water drips. It's been dripping for a long time now. On the bottom of the drum, you know, after a week, get this much water sit in it. So I'm gonna have to replace that valve. It's not that hard to do. Just take your time and have patience. All right, here's my problem. Here's my washing machine. Problem is right here. This drips. It's been dripping for months. You can see it. I came in, usually I use the washer every 4 or 5 days. But the last time I used it, there's about 1 inch of water in there. So from here it drips. I ordered this part from Amazon. Of course, it's made in China. $32. I'll leave a picture of what I got, what I paid for it. And this valve is the bad one. It looks like the original equipment. You could replace this individual one, but nowadays it's just all one piece. So hopefully it's just a quick, easy fix to put in. So they say. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, share the information. Okay. This is an LG washer, inverter direct drive, true balance, smart drum, but hopefully it doesn't take too long to install it. Okay, step 1 is going to be to unplug, shut the water off, then disconnect these lines to let the water drain out so you don't have a big mess. Okay, since I've taken this off before, there's only 2 screws. One here, and one here. Then there's like 4 like nubs or clips. You just gotta muscle it out, hopefully not break it. Not hard to take off. Okay, so you can see this comes up. So in the back here, you get 4 clips or little nubs. You gotta sort of muscle up, pull straight up. Okay, what makes this so hard is you got these openings here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's just these little nubs or clips in there. 2, 3, and 4. So you can sort of push it in and up. Okay, as we said before, this is the problem right here, because water drips through this black line in there. So this solenoid valve's not closing all the way. So take pictures so you know where all the clips go. Make sure you get one with 5 solenoids. Okay, it goes like this. Make sure it all matches. And we'll put it all together. So preparation is everything. Water's off. We'll just disconnect these right here. Put a rag down there. Bucket for the lines to go in. Try to control the water spillage. Remember, lefty-loosey. Righty-tighty, counterclockwise. Lefty-loosey, take them off. Okay. Lefty-loosey, they're loose. Let's take them off. Try not to make a mess. Anyone can do this. Use a little bit of common sense. Older folks, younger folks, teenagers, man, woman, boys, girls. Or you have to pay a handyman or a technician hundreds of dollars to do this, or you can do it yourself for the price of the parts and tools. Okay, pretty easy. Take it off. Looks like 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screws. Then you have to take off the hoses there and there, and hopefully these just pop right off. Okay, it was just those 3 screws. It's loose. These clips loosened up. Pair of needle nose. And then haven't decided if I need to take these off or not, or if I can just muscle it off. Okay, looks like a perfect exact fit. Those 3 pink or now orange nubs just popped right out. Now to get the rubber hoses off, I need a little long liquid detergent or liquid to loosen those rubber lines off so I can pull it right off. Looks like an exact fit. Parts made in China. It was $32 on Amazon. Okay, this is the old part that we're replacing with the new part. $32. And when you do this work yourself, you can always clean it up. You know, a technician's probably not going to clean up. A little vacuum cleaner, a rag, you know, clean these up a little bit. Try to save it as long as possible. Everything is pretty foolproof to hook back up. Not hard. Wash machines are pretty simple. Alright, pretty foolproof. Put it back together. I put a little dish soap inside here. That one goes there. This one goes here. And the 3 goes here. Pretty basic. Hard to mess up. Okay, not that hard. Okay, I replaced these older rusty clips with newer ones. Everything just sort of goes back into place. Real easy. Make sure you get the little arrows in the top. And they sort of clip right in. Pretty foolproof. They sort of go in order. I'm going to do it one hand. Last one. So everything's back in order. We'll test it out. Put it together. Not too hard. Just make sure the red hot line goes to the red side, hot water side, the cold water line, typically blue. The blue is cold water. Okay, so these are the main supply lines coming in, hot and cold. Tighten up, just remember, tight's good, tighter's broken. Okay, put it back on, real quick and easy. You see those clamps, just pop it on. Make sure the screws line up, popped in, 2 screws there, and you're done. We'll test it and make sure everything runs right. Okay, motor's back on, valves are on, it's plugged in, and right here, no more leaks. Just like magic. $32 fix. If you called the technician, probably cost you a couple $100. But do it yourself. Doesn't take that long, and you learn. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Hopefully you enjoyed the video.